Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, adaptive cruise control, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with red accents throughout the vehicle. Paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, power trunk release. It's equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. It's going to come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as your seat memory with the red stitch and chrome accent. You're going to have these power adjustable, leather heated and cooled seats, super comfortable. On the left side, you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. It's a black bow tie, and the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as you can also access your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. Push the starts up here next to your auto stop and onto the infotainment system. Pretty straightforward, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got navigation built in, as well as Spotify and Chevrolet Maps Plus. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your mirror cams here. Below, you're going to have your dual zone climate control with the 2 huge vents, 2 USB ports right in the center there. Below that with a wireless charging pad, and the shifter with your RS badging. Above that with parking assist, lane keep assist, and drive mode selector, as well as your all-wheel drive. And center console with 2 more USB ports and an SD card reader as well. Passenger side, power adjustable as well. You're going to see the red accents throughout. Goes all the way across. You can access your glove box, just hitting that. Here you got the regular and digital rear view. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. They're getting these black 21-inch wheels on Continental Cross LX Sport tires, paint match mirror caps, and paint match keyless entry door handle. Black luggage side rails up top, tinted rear glass, dual exhaust, everything blacked out, even the badge is here. Oh, sorry. In the back seat, you're gonna have the 60/40 rear folding seats, as well as lamps and extra storage, 12-volt DC port, and extra wheel well storage and tools down below. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, more paneling storage next to the speaker, power windows with the heated rear seating and chrome accents. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, rear USB ports, and as well as an AC wall charger. Storage on the bottom there, cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, a panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled seats, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you in Chevy Farm very soon.